Hello, welcome to this on-demand video on Collaboration Multiplier. For some of you, this may be a bit of a refresher, but for others, this may be brand new. We're going to take you through a few steps to get you ready to build stronger collaboratives in your county. This is Ruben Cantu with Prevention Institute, part of the Community Collective Impact Model for Change Initiative Technical Assistance Team. The learning objectives for this session include understanding Collaboration Multiplier as a tool for improving your partnerships, coalitions, and collaboratives, reviewing the two-step Collaboration Multiplier process, which includes information gathering and analysis, and working with your coalition partners to strengthen your process and work toward joint strategies and outcomes. So what is Collaboration Multiplier? Collaboration Multiplier is a tool that was developed by Prevention Institute, and it's been used with coalitions and collaboratives across the country for many years. It's a tool for exploring and analyzing the differences in partners' skills, resources, mandates, and interests, as well as opportunities for synergy and collaboration. It supports development of action-oriented approaches for engaging multiple sectors, departments, and agencies that are essential to advancing the vision, directives, and strategies of your local project. It can help you build effective partnerships to strengthen new and existing coalitions that can advance your goals. And it encourages win-win coalition building that strengthens the structure and ecosystem for sustaining your goals. So when we look at this image, what do we see here? We see children engaged in what is called parallel play. Parallel play is a stage of play in which toddlers and children play adjacent to each other, but do not try to influence one another's behavior. Children usually play alone during parallel play, but are interested in what other children are doing. Lots of collaboratives are like this also. We each have our shovels and our buckets, and many collaboratives get stuck at this developmental level. I share with you how many buckets I have, you report to me about how you're using your shovel, but if we want to work together effectively and transform our communities, we need to go beyond this. The only way to build a sandcastle is if you bring your shovel and I bring my bucket. We can't do this on our own. If we don't move our skills to the next level, we can't transform our communities. When we utilize the collective skills of others, we can truly transform communities and in turn start changing norms. Collaboration Multiplier lays the groundwork for effective multi-sector collaboration. It's designed to guide an organization to better understand which partners it needs and how to engage them. It is also designed for collaboratives that already work together so that they can identify common and divergent approaches, take stock of individual and collective resources, identify who is missing and tailor a pitch to engage them, forge comprehensive approaches and joint solutions, and clarify how people from each discipline view and approach an issue differently. Collaboration Multiplier has two phases. The first is information gathering, during which you compile and share information and learn more about your partners and their perspectives. And the second is analysis, which includes a facilitated conversation to discuss implications of phase one, explore possible directions, and agree on next steps. Here is what the two-step process looks like, with phase one, information gathering, providing a building block for phase two, or analysis. To complete the Collaboration Multiplier process effectively, it's important to engage in both phases and not do one without the other. As mentioned earlier, knowing your partners is key so that you can engage them in both phases to strengthen your collaboration. So moving into phase one, this is a good set of categories to start with to learn the fundamentals about your partners. You can add or revise these categories depending on your initiative. The types of information you may need to think about with your partners include: what is the importance of this issue? What is the sector's mandate? What are each organization's goals? What expertise, assets, and strengths are they bringing to the table? What strategies and activities are your partners engaged in? Who is the audience and who are the partners? What data is available and accessible? And what are the desired outcomes of the collaborative? Here's the grid that you would use to collect the information that you're gathering. This is available for download at Prevention Institute's website at www.preventioninstitute.org. The activities in Phase 1 set the stage for the analysis activities. Phase 2 brings together partners to discuss the information they collected in Phase 1, to move them into action, and align resources for the greatest impact. Moving into Phase 2, analysis, it's important to ask, what partner strengths can the collaborative utilize? How do you leverage each partner's expertise? What results and outcomes can be achieved together? What strategies or outcomes can 2 or 3 partners work on together? And how will partners measure success? Some of the key things that you will get out of your analysis include shared outcomes that you can achieve together and some immediate next steps to accomplish this, your partner's strengths to accomplish the shared outcomes your group has identified, and identifying joint strategies that 2 or more partners can work on together. When you pull it all together, you should be able to answer, what results and outcomes can we achieve together? What partner strengths can the collaborative utilize? And what strategies or activities can 2 or more partners work together on? Through using Collaboration Multiplier, you should be able to move your coalition further along and achieve positive outcomes for your community. As this African proverb says, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. More detailed resources on Collaboration Multiplier can support you in using the tool and other publications, including 8 Steps to Effective Coalition Building and The Tension of Turf, can be found on the Prevention Institute website. We encourage you to reach out if you have additional needs and would like us to provide more tailored technical assistance. We are here to help you in your work. Thank you for all of your efforts.